I am so excited about this. Dollar Tree has 3 new product lines. Check it out. Dollar Tree just dropped brand new organization. This is better than it has ever been. Now, all of this is marketed for the fridge, but I think you could use this anywhere in your house. I really like this pull-out drawer because you can stack them up. And the pull-out fridge storage bin, the fact that this has a handle, all of these are still $1.50, including this wall organizer. And there are so many more finds, don't go anywhere. These also come with a lid so you can have stacked up vertical storage. I really like how deep these are and like they're really quality. And this is by Storage Essentials, which is a brand new line at Dollar Tree. This would be such a good item to take to college. Not only is it cute and functional, love. What color would you pick? They also have these brand new stacking organizers. These are fantastic in cabinets. This is a brand new, just dropped line.
Not only does Do It on a Dime show you new products, I show you exactly how to use them. So today I'm focused on my medicine cabinet, which as a reminder is never a museum. It should make your life easier on the hardest days. Never hide what you actually need, which is why I love all the acrylic organizers for this space. I'm not sponsored by Dollar Tree. I buy all my own organizers, so I'm not going to spend more than $20 to organize this space. I could do this one for about 15 bucks. If you are not using Lazy Susans in your medicine cabinet, trust me, this is a game changer. 5 minutes will save you hours of frustration all year long. The other product I would highly recommend in your kitchen right now are these acrylic paper organizers. Now, I had a product similar to this years ago, and I used to get tons of questions about it. This comes with all the mounting hardware, including these gold covers, but I just added some hot glue to them to cover up the holes on the back because I'm not going to screw this into the wall. I'm going to put it on the fridge using space tape. This has incredible hold. I found it at Dollar Tree and I love that it's clear. This is not going to hold up well with magnets. It will just slip down the fridge, but this way I have a beautiful and custom organizer that's perfect for recipes, notes, cards, school paperwork. It looks awesome in the kitchen, and coming up, I'm going to share with you how I use some of these products in my craft room. But first,
more organizing bins, and these are sparkly. I love the dip down top. I use these all over the house. I am so excited to see these. This is beating Five Below, especially at just $1.50. They brought back the turntables, which again are some of my favorites. I use these all over. And their container and lid, Sure Fresh brand. This is a dupe of the OXO. They're fantastic, love.
These sell out very quickly at most stores, but something similar retails for $8 or $9 from the Container Store. I've had a really good experience with these products. But did you know there is a secret product I want you to keep your eyes peeled for? These multi-compartment lidded boxes, but this is not just food storage. Y'all, it is on a Lazy Susan. That is right. I have taken this to the pool. I put my kids' snacks on here. Not only does it turn, it is so lightweight, easy to use, and it holds a lot of snacks. These retail for a ton in other stores. Believe me, I've checked. This is one $6 find at Dollar Tree you don't want to leave without. It's also super easy to clean, which I appreciate. Have you seen these in your store?
They have these freeze containers, which is perfect for making like ice cream, putting frozen fruit and vegetables inside. That's cool. This is a name brand Ulta little freeze pop maker. So cute. You get freezy pops and you even get little ice cubes. Listen, this is such a good hack. All you need are some of these expandable or telescopic marshmallow forks. You're going to stick some Dollar Tree marshmallows in a bread box, which you can also find at Dollar Tree. Check it out.
Put everything in this airtight container that you need to make the perfect s'more afternoon. You could label it if you wanted to. We have used something like this for years. It also makes a great gift idea. These expandable telescopic forks, I was so shocked to see these in Dollar Tree, especially at just $1.25 each. Pick this up because they were going fast in my store.
Their $5 storage bins are all grown up. I mean, they're actually a little bit bigger than they used to be. I love these and use them in so many projects. Remember that their stackable wine bottle holders are great in craft rooms, and these are also great for your water bottle storage in a cabinet.
Where do you find said cool projects? On end caps and in the organization section. I don't work for Dollar Tree, and this is all speculation, but I noticed the Storage Essentials logo got a revamp and an update. And in all the stores, they're shipping out new acrylic products, just like all the ones you see in this pantry. 90% of this pantry are Dollar Tree products, from Lazy Susans to jars, and even the giant containers at the bottom, all from Dollar Tree. And if you're thinking to yourself, what about beautiful glass canisters, high quality products? They have a brand new $5 glass canister that I've been using for months now. Yes, I'm that person that cannot remember the recipe for how to make pancakes, so I just tape it on the inside of the jar, put it out. This is a fantastic airtight option.
They brought them back, the giant bamboo cutting boards for $5. This is a great deal. And when you see these drink dispensers, I've used these for 4 parties now. They work amazingly well. These bottle and straw brush sets are fantastic. Dollar Tree brought these back made of silicone, huge savings. We have all sorts of organizing containers that are some of my favorites brought back. We have the $4 4-quart bins, some favorites, and the Sterilite drop-down bins.
And they brought back the Snap Close bins for $1.50. These are a great size, and I told you I was going to take you inside my craft room and share with you the practical ways that I organize this. I like to be able to see everything that I have, but also be able to tuck it away so it's not cluttering up my work zone.
3 brand new finds. First up are these. I am so excited about this. This is like vintage art that you can frame, and they're gallery art prints, and all you need are the frames. There's butterflies, birds, and then even just like some pretty botanicals. This is so vintage and cool.
In addition to brand new organization, Dollar Tree also got these super cool gallery prints. I loved these, and they're on thick cardstock, very high quality, perfect in my craft room. You can see I set it on the built-ins, which is where I keep a lot of my upcoming products that I share with you in videos. A big part of my craft room are IKEA wardrobes, and here's how I organize them.
Still at $1.25 is laundry, closet, and travel. So all of these items are still just $1.25. So I really like these collapsible storage containers. You can reinforce them with a larger Dollar Tree bin. We use these in our closet, and this pattern is so beautiful. Check out the new ones.
Again, the storage essentials and closet essentials are really exploding in 2026.
At $1.50, these closet organizers are too good to not try. This goes over the bar in your closet. Want to see how it works? Check it out. Instant organization is in the plus section. They have these 6-cube storage racks. You do not have to assemble these or the under sink organizers the way that they explain. Instead, you can stack these up vertically to give you as much space as you needed.
To work in a space that could be awkward, I assembled the cube shelves and under sink organizers to maximize all the vertical space, and everything in here is from the Dollar Tree. My biggest key is visibility. I group like items together and make sure that I can access them quickly and see exactly what I have. I think sometimes we can put exceptional pressure on ourselves trying to make storage so beautiful, we forget the real goal is to make life easier. I want to craft in my craft room. This closet doesn't look perfect, but it works the way that I actually create. Every category has a home, everything is easy to see, and I put things away in seconds. That's what keeps a space organized long term. Not perfection, but systems simple enough you'll actually stick with them. And speaking of organization, any recent grads?
If you're going back to school, college, garages, these $7 storage totes are awesome. They also have a $5 version, and I love these clear storage boxes, and their baskets now have handles. When I say this is the same quality as Walmart and Container Store, it is.
I'd love to know in the comments what you're working on. Do you have someone you love or know going to college? They had a ton of college dorm room supplies in Dollar Tree. Maybe you're organizing a craft room, or like me, working in your kitchen. Definitely leave a comment down below and let me know what you've been working on.
College, back to school, they have all new shower curtains. They're $7, but I have not seen these colors and patterns. Brand new. I really like this green one, and I also like the striped one. Convertible shower caddies are do it on a dime approved. A heavy-duty clear shower curtain liner. New and improved. If you're organizing a dorm room, a craft room, or you're a renter, they now have Command brand damage-free hanging hooks. These are awesome. I really like the clear ones, and they even have the Scotch bottom guards for the bottom of your chairs and WD-40 pens. Have you ever ruined your walls with a Command strip? They have these self-adhesive wall repair kits. These are expensive at the hardware store. Really good deal here. All of these are new products. They have an entire grilling station. This is perfect for grilling your corn on the cob. They also have pizza cutter, meat claws, and a digital thermometer at $5 is an incredible deal.
And while you're out grilling, I was also really impressed with the garden section. They have so many new products.
In the garden section, 2 brand new Catherine recommended finds is this gardening mat. If you're potting plants and you're getting stuff everywhere, put this out. You can shake out the soil later. This is awesome. They also have these plant support clips for some of your growing vines. I've never seen these products before. Everything is a brand new product, including these solar lights. My favorites are these hanging ones. They look like little flowers. I love the hooks on top. They come in a pink, a clear, a blue, and a turquoise. And they even have hanging glass solar lights. And they come in different styles of light, blue, green, and white. And look at this. They have little solar lanterns. Okay, would you use this? This is so cute. So cute, it's so weird. So you just like don't want to do a DIY, but you want to be like, oh, I made something. All right, come over here. We're gonna take this little watering can and I'm gonna take one of these little hooks. We can just combine it together just like this. I'll show you this way. So cute. You can't tell me that that's not adorable. Fun fact, over 50% of you who watch this video are not subscribed to the channel. If you like joy, creative ideas, and inspiration on a budget, be sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so I can see you next week. If nobody has told you today, you are enough. I'll see you in the next video.